All right, so today I'll be going over the basics and implementation of Figma. So Figma is essentially a tool used to like create markups or prototypes of anything from like web applications or to apps or websites or anything relating to that. And it pretty much just helps in the process of just mocking up a prototype for an idea that someone might have. Uh, So I've used Figma in the past for a project that I did, essentially creating a mock-up for a website that would sell Rubik's cubes, and overall it was pretty helpful, like just thinking using Figma to like create my mock-up, and I think it turned out pretty nice. And for the example for the class, we just made like a simple like nothing too crazy, just a simple like login page. We'll go back where you can use Figma to like create these different like frames. So for example, this would be like a login page. When you would click it, it would go to a different site, and if you click it back, as you go back, you would go to the previous page. And this is pretty much just helpful for just creating a simple mockup or a prototype for whatever you're creating. Now, Figma Make is something that uses AI to like make a better picture of what you want to make. So let's say you're not really good at designing, or designing isn't your thing. You can use Figma Make to like upload, like let's say just any photo of like UI, and you'd be able to like have any prompts that you would be able to like use so you can make your own website. So for example, I took a random photo from Pinterest, and essentially asked to analyze this picture, and to basically just create all the custom layouts I would need, fonts, colors, anything that would be able to use to my Figma. So here it just drafted up like a bunch of things: the color palettes, the text, pretty much anything I would need, so I can create my project. So I see like buttons that I could like add, and here's the code. Here would be it also provides the code in case I need to copy this into an HTML file. And essentially this is like just really helpful for like if you're not really good at designing or creating your own like frameworks. This Figma Make is an excellent tool that can be used to like aid in your development, or yeah, essentially just anything you need to create. And there's also another thing I forgot to mention, where you could actually go to the community tab and essentially like integrate any community made assets. For example, I got this random one right here where it has anything from like the avatars to badges or buttons that you could use that help you aid in your own Figma project. So that's just the basics of Figma, like in a nutshell, I guess.